I'm Chikoo. Today, let's learn about the parts of a plant.
A plant has many parts: roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds.
Roots drink water for the plant, just like we drink water.
The stem carries water and food to all parts of the plant.
It works like a straw, moving food and water up, up, up.
Leaves are called the food factories of plants. With sunlight, air, and water, leaves make yummy food for the plant.
Flowers make the plant look pretty, and they also help make seeds.
Fruits grow from flowers. They are tasty and protect the seeds inside.
Seeds are tiny babies of plants. From seeds, new plants can grow.
This is the life cycle of a plant. It goes round and round. So remember, roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. Plants are amazing.
Please hit that subscribe button below.